and this is day 18. Welcome to 5 Luo Words a Day. Today we talk about adhungo. Adhungo. A swarm of bees is called, some people say adhungo. Adhungo or adhungo. A swarm of bees is called adhungo. The second word of the day is adi. Adi. For example, ami adi. Ami adi. How many can I give you? Ami adi. The third word is adiel. Adiel. Winyo ma iluongo ni adiel. Winyo ma iluongo ni adiel. The bird known as adiel. And our fourth word is adier. Adier. That is truthfulness or certainty. In kod adier. In kod adier. Are you certain with what you're saying? In kod adier. And our last word of the day is adiera. Adiera. Truthfully. Kara ne iwacho adiera. Kare ne iwacho adiera. Kara ne iwacho adiera. Good. Thank you, and I see you tomorrow.